Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to pose your clients in natural, candid manner while evoking emotion. These photos are meant to be happy and capture your client's personality. We will be using prompts from the app Unscripted, who is sponsoring this video. Unscripted is an all-in-one photography app loved by over 300,000 photographers. The camera gear that we use is listed out in the description box below, as well as the full set of images over on my website. Let's get into it. Unscripted. What started as a posing and prompt app has blossomed into the ultimate client management system. Plug in your client's information and they'll be entered into an automated workflow, from client questionnaires to invoices, photography contracts. You can manage your booking schedule, create timelines, all from your phone. A favorite feature would be their photography contract templates that you can edit, send off, have your client sign, and pass along the invoice. You can take and receive payment, even credit cards. Unscripted also comes packed with email templates, from pre-booking to what to wear guides, all the way to photo shoot reminders. Unscripted is the all-in-one app for modern photographers with big dreams. It comes free with limited poses and prompts, camera setting guide, tools and resources, and the pro version unlocks all features at $14.99 a month. Save $20 off the lifetime or yearly membership with the code Jessica at checkout. I have some poses favorited. We'll do these, they're kind of variations of each other. So hugs from behind and then kisses, and I'll do close-up ones and then far away, and it'll add a lot of variety to our shots. We'll start off with hugs from behind. Okay, I feel like what if we actually do, it's too, how do I say? It's too stiff. Don't tell your actual clients that, but this is why that we like modify it slightly. So what if we did instead, so in the app, it also says what kind of prompts to say, so then you can get more of a reaction. Okay, and then kiss with your teeth. See, we're creating these really fun reactions. It's not about nailing the pose, it's about getting the prompt. And the prompt is how you direct it. And in this case, it's like we want these happy emotions, we want candid photos. Now we're going to do some of my favorite poses ever, the cute dancing photos. The first one we're gonna do is just dancing on the spot. So what I like to do is have you guys facing each other and start out where you're holding hands like this and just doing a little bit of a sway and have a bend to the elbow. So wrap your arms behind her and whisper something sweet in her ear. Are they even? I'm not even ready myself. Okay. Okay, here you can take it and just use this to scroll.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Oh
Very cool. Oh, I love it. The writing. Okay, K-drama. Obsessed.
Yay.
Oh, this is so beautiful. I didn't know we could take good photos like this.
Yee, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. All right, photographer, which pose do you prefer? And if you downloaded Unscripted while checking out this video, let me know what you think of it. Comment down below and be sure to check out the description box for $20 off the Unscripted app with an annual or lifetime membership. Be sure to hit subscribe so that you're the first to know when new free tutorials for your business come out. You can also follow along over on Instagram at Jessica Whitaker for daily tips, tools, and resources for your photography. And if you're looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, check out the Build and Bloom Facebook group. I believe in you and I believe in your business, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.